Please like, subscribe and follow for more. Tutorial of Wave accounting software. Here are some steps to get started. Sign up for an account on Wave. Go to the Wave accounting website and sign up for an account. You will need to provide some basic information, including your name, email address, and business type. Set up your company profile. Once you have signed up, you can start setting up your company profile. You will need to provide some basic information about your business, including your business name, address, and contact details. Connect your bank account. Wave allows you to connect your bank account, credit card, or PayPal account to your Wave account. This allows you to automatically import transactions and reconcile your accounts. Create invoices. To create an invoice, go to the Invoices tab and click on the Create an Invoice button. You can customize the invoice with your company logo, add products or services, and set the due date and payment terms. Record expenses. You can record your business expenses by going to the Expenses tab and clicking on the Add Expense button. You can categorize your expenses and attach receipts. Run reports. Wave provides a variety of reports that you can run to help you understand your business's financial performance. Some of the reports available include profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. Manage payroll. Wave also offers a payroll service that allows you to pay your employees and file payroll taxes. You can set up direct deposit for your employees and run payroll as often as you need to. That's a brief tutorial on how to use Wave accounting software. If you need more detailed instructions, you can check out the Wave Help Center or contact Wave's customer support team.